So picture this. You're sitting at home scrolling through TikTok or YouTube, and suddenly you wonder, could I actually start a business from here without renting an office, without hiring employees, without dropping 20 grand up front? The answer is yes. And today I'm going to share 9 small business ideas you can start from home. And who knows, one of these could completely change your life. Stick around until the end because I'm going to share a business idea that most people completely overlook, but it's one of the fastest growing opportunities right now. Before we jump in, if you're new here, I post weekly no fluff videos with realistic step-by-step money ideas. So if you like the sound of that, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any. All right, let's dive in. The first small business idea is starting a freelance service business. This could be writing, graphic design, social media management, video editing, or even virtual assistants. The cool part is you don't need a degree, just a skill people are willing to pay for. Think about it. Every small business out there needs a website, needs content, needs help keeping up with emails. That's where you step in. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork can help you find clients. But here's the secret. Your real money comes from building relationships with repeat clients, not just doing one-offs. Imagine being someone's go-to video editor every single month. That's stable income from home. Sometimes what feels like a hobby can actually turn into your bread and butter. The second idea is print on demand. If you've ever seen a random t-shirt on Instagram that says something like "dog moms are cooler than regular moms," there's a good chance it came from a print on demand business. You design graphics, upload them to a site like Printful or Teespring, and when someone orders, the company prints and ships the product for you. The beauty of this is you don't have to touch inventory. All you need is a laptop, some creativity, and maybe Canva. No warehouse needed. Think of it like memes but monetized. You create something relatable and people literally wear your idea. The third idea is selling digital products. Think ebooks, templates, online courses, or even Notion planners. Digital products are amazing because you create them once and sell them forever. That means no shipping, no inventory, no ongoing costs. Have a skill, package it into an ebook, love organizing, create a printable planner. Even small things like resume templates sell really well on Etsy. And here's the kicker. This business has insane profit margins because once the product is made, it costs you basically nothing to deliver it again. And don't think you need to be an expert. Some of the top-selling Etsy digital downloads are things like habit trackers, budget spreadsheets, or even meal planners. It's not about being the smartest person in the room. It's about solving a problem in a simple way. The fourth business idea is offering social media management. Let's be honest, social media feels like a full-time job. And for small businesses, it actually is, but most of them don't have the time or knowledge to handle it. If you know how to post consistently, create trending reels, or engage with an audience, you can get paid to manage accounts for other people. Some social media managers charge anywhere from $500 to $2,000 per month per client. And here's a little tip. Don't just pitch yourself as someone who posts pictures. Position yourself as someone who helps businesses grow their audience and get sales through social media. That's where the money is. Imagine being the reason a local coffee shop suddenly doubles its weekend foot traffic because you ran a TikTok campaign that went viral. You're not just posting, you're driving results. The fifth business idea is content creation, or UGC, which stands for user-generated content. Companies are literally paying regular people, not influencers with millions of followers, to create TikToks, Reels, or short videos showcasing their products. Why? Because it feels authentic. It feels like a friend recommending something, and that sells way better than a glossy ad. You don't need a big following for this. You just need to be comfortable on camera and know how to shoot videos on your phone. A lot of people are making thousands each month doing this, and it's something you can start with zero cost. A girl I follow on Instagram started by making videos showing how she organizes her kitchen. Now, brands send her free products and pay her just to film content. If you're already posting on social media for fun, this is literally monetizing what you're already doing. The sixth idea is starting an online tutoring or coaching business. If you're good at math, writing, or even playing guitar, you can offer lessons online through Zoom. And if you have experience in a certain industry, you can coach people who want to break into that career. During the pandemic, online tutoring exploded and it hasn't slowed down. Parents are willing to pay for their kids to get help, and adults are willing to pay to learn new skills. You can start small by offering services on sites like Wyzant, or you can market yourself on social media and build your own client base. Think of it this way. You're basically turning your brain into a business. That knowledge you take for granted could be life-changing for someone else. The seventh business idea is reselling products online. You've probably seen the videos of people going to thrift stores, finding something for $2 and flipping it for $30 on eBay. That works, but reselling can also be brand new items from wholesalers, liquidation pallets, or even drop shipping. The key here is finding products people actually want. And don't overlook digital apps like Poshmark, Mercari, and Depop. Make it easy to start without much overhead. Some resellers even specialize in seasonal flips, like buying holiday decor on clearance and selling it the next year for triple the price. The eighth business idea is offering tech support or consulting. With more people working remotely, small businesses and even individuals constantly need help setting up systems, troubleshooting issues, or even getting advice on software. If you're tech savvy, you can charge for that knowledge. Think about it. People pay Geek Squad to fix their laptops. Why not you? Even something as simple as helping someone set up a Zoom webinar or organize their Google Workspace can be worth hundreds of dollars if you package it right. And here's the thing, your target audience isn't giant corporations. It's regular people and small businesses who don't have IT teams. They'd rather pay someone approachable than deal with confusing customer service lines. And finally, the ninth small business idea, the one most people overlook, starting a home-based content studio. Hear me out. You don't need a giant warehouse or expensive cameras. With a couple of lights, a tripod, and a good background, you can create photos or videos for small businesses who need content but don't have time to create it. For example, local restaurants need food photography, online shops need product videos, and coaches need branded photos for their websites. You can set this up in your living room. This space is exploding right now because businesses need content more than ever, and they'd rather pay someone reliable than try to DIY it themselves. And if you're worried about equipment, you can start with what you have. Phones today shoot in 4K. Combine that with a ring light and a backdrop, and you're good to go. So there you have it, 9 small business ideas you can start from home. The beauty of these is that you don't need to quit your job tomorrow or spend thousands up front. You can start small, test the waters, and build something real over time. And who knows, one of these ideas could be your ticket out of the 9-to-5 grind. Because let's be real, nobody dreams about answering emails for 40 years straight. You dream about freedom, flexibility, and doing something that actually excites you. If you got value from this video, make sure to hit that like button because it helps more people find these ideas. And if you want weekly, realistic, step-by-step money ideas without the fluff, go ahead and subscribe. Also drop a comment and tell me which business idea you'd start first. I'd love to know.